Guys, I have 8 must-have accessories for your DJI Mini 3. So we have our DJI Mini 3 right here, and we have accessories, and I will go through them in order of importance. And that brings us to what we paid for this. We paid $379, and that included the RC remote with built-in tablet. And this is a game changer, trust me. The old remote with controller with out the tablet, you gotta hook up your phone falls out, your phone has notifications going off while you're trying to fly, cables falling out, and my iPhone would constantly get hot, overheated in the summertime. And trust me, this is a game changer. So the number one accessory, the DJI RC remote with the built-in tablet. And I believe it's like 5.5 inches in diameter. And coming in at number 2 is the Kikatoa case. And I'll put the price right here in the bottom of the screen. I didn't want to spend too much money, and this looked like a good solid case for the price. The drone itself is very light, but here we have the inside, and our DJI Mini 3 fits right in here. And our remote controller. I've got to take out the insert. There we go. And yeah, the remote controller fits there. We got room for our batteries, and our cables for your strap, and any other accessories like props. But yeah, this is a good foam case, and we just had to take that insert out to fit in our remote. So yeah, at number 2, the Kikatoa case. And coming in at number 3, we have a sunshade kit for our remote controller, made by Arsroik. Okay, and the price right there in the screen. And let's go ahead and open it up. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Made out of lightweight plastic. I will go ahead and install it on our DJI RC remote. So it came with the screwdriver, and it's not really a screwdriver, it looks like it's a hex wrench. And we also have these little screw-in things to put on, so that we can secure a strap that came with it. Which brings us to one of our other accessories was a strap. So you have a choice of purchasing one on your own, or the one that came with the lens shade. So the lens shade just screws in by hand right on the back, real easy, and it matches the RC controller perfectly. And you can close the cover and leave your joysticks right there. And for your strap, you got these grommets, is what I'm going to call them, and they screw in right on the bottom of your RC controller. Yeah, so then you get your strap for your remote controller, and attach it just like that. And you know, I have to say the lens shade is better than I thought it would be. I knew I wanted a lens shade, but I thought it'd be stuck on with Velcro or something. But boy, this is going to do a great job blocking the sun, and you have complete control over the position. And it's not going to affect your signal any. So we're coming in at number 3. We have our propeller holder for Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro. And so you will find out that when you're through flying, you fold your drone back up. The propellers are in an awkward place and they flop around, and you think you're gonna break them, bend them, and you might. So we need something to hold them in place. So it looks like the way this works is the bottom of the drone, the propellers go like this in a V towards the front, and this piece fits right over the blades like that. They're held securely, and it holds the front blades down like that, and you just snap it on the side, and there you go. And coming in at number 4, we have our strap. Now, I wasn't aware that there was a strap that came with the lens shade, and this is a nicer one. I'll probably end up using this strap. Please do not disturb me when I'm flying the drone. It's a good warning for anyone that might ask questions while you're busy flying your drone. So at number 5, we have some propeller blades. And for the DJI Mini 4, 3, Pro, and these are supposed to be an upgrade, and they're supposed to be very quiet. Now the blades that come with your DJI Mini 3, they are very nice. I'm not going to change these now, but if you ever should break them, lose them, these look like they're a good backup. They seem good quality. They will give your drone a different appearance. I kind of like the fluorescent green color. And they're supposed to make your drone quieter. And yeah, so the blades that come with your DJI Mini 3, they're very nice. They feel thicker plastic. These feel very lightweight, which is probably why they say they're quieter. I will probably just stick with the original blades until I need to replace them, but I do like the color. I think it's kind of cool. At number 6, we have a polarizing filter. Let's go ahead and unwrap that. And this is a circular polarizing filter, so depends on the angle of the sun will this work. So we have a lens cleaning cloth and little instruction booklet? No. Anyways, so you have your circular polarizer filter. Ooh, it is tiny. So yeah, I didn't know how big I expected it to be because the lens is tiny. So let's see how it fits. I was wondering if it was magnetized in any way. So we thought we had a failure. I thought it was supposed to just snap right over the lens. And what you have to do, the current lens, you twist it to the left and it comes right off. And to be honest with you, it came off so easy that I didn't like that. But yeah, that snaps right off. And this one snaps right on. And there you go. So with the circular polarizer, depends on which way you are flying, which way the sunlight is coming, and you turn the polarizing lens around until you see the colors enhance. And what we will do is we will go for a flight without the polarizer, and we will go for a flight with the polarized lens and see if it looks better or not. And coming in at number 7, we have control sticks. And these are just a slight upgrade than what comes with it. Got a nice gold color. And the control sticks that come with your remote, they are fine, but just for the heck of it, we'll go ahead and replace them for now. The gold color is very nice. They do feel a little bit sturdier. And whether I keep them on or not, it's going to depend on if I can still close this. And I can. So I think we're going to go with the gold color. So yeah, that's number 7. Just a few items you might want to think about for your DJI Mini 3. Thank you for watching.